every door.
Okay, hello, beautiful business-minded people. It's exactly 3 o'clock. And eto, may tanong ako. How many times have you asked yourself these questions? Tinanong niyo ba sa sarili ninyo na gusto kong kumita online pero papaano kaya hindi ko alam kung paanong mag-umpisa? O kaya, papaano ba ako makaka-shift mula sa day job ko to prepare for my retirement or resignation papunta sa online business? Totoo ba talaga itong mga sinasabi nilang kikita ako online? Now, again, how many times have you asked yourself these questions? Now, maybe you've been working hard at your job for years but still, you feel that you are just getting by. Or maybe you're about to retire or resign tulad ko noon and you want another source of income, something that you will enjoy. Now, sabi ko nga, alam ko yan dahil dumaan din ako dyan, anak. And this is what I found. Madaming nagtuturo ng kung ano-ano online, lalo na ngayon. And they even show you mga magagandang kotse, magagandang bahay, and they talk about millions. Anak, don't believe these people. Ang daming naubos sa retirement savings namin dahil nabudol ako ng mga ito. Dahil naniwala ako. And what I learned is that pwedeng kumita online. Totoo yan. But you have to have the right mentor and the right system. Kahit na zero ang technical skills mo at kahit na senior citizen ka na. At yan episode natin today. Nakita nyo naman, nagkagulo-gulo yung tech natin at sino yung ating savior. Siya ang talagang parating savior ko yan kapag nagkakagulo-gulo na yung aking tech. But before that, let me welcome you here to our Facebook Live, mga anak. No? Today is Tuesday and we have another episode of our Meet My Mentor series. I'm so excited to have you all here today. So, para sa ating mga first timers, allow me to give a short intro, ha? Ako po ay si Mami Negosyo, but like my coaching clients, students, and mentees, you can call me Mami N for short. And together with my husband, I'm a retired business owner of many businesses. Among them, we were franchisees of Chowking for 18 long years, a licensee of STI College in Zamboanga for 28 years, owner of computer repair shops, pension houses, at mga jewelry stores. At ngayon, dahil retired na kami, naipasa na po namin ang aming mga negosyo sa aming mga anak. And ako po, nag-focus na lang sa pagiging author, online business mentor, coach, speaker, at saka course and content creator. Dahil ang mission ko po ay makatulong at makapag-guide sa mga Filipino business owners to grow their businesses more easily and faster. Kaya po meron tayong mga free videos at programs na tulad nito. Every Tuesday po ito. What makes me happy is sharing with you all the lessons I've learned in my 40 plus years as businesswoman so that you don't have to go through the pain, the tears, the hardships that I have experienced. And if you'd like to be among the first to access these lessons, I invite you to subscribe sa ating free na newsletter at starter kit para naman we can continue to learn from each other. So sign up sa maminegosyo.com dahil marami pong mga freebies doon. No? It's maminegosyo.com. Okay, now today we will be talking about creating your success plan from day job to online income. Doon ito para sa mga may trabaho ngayon at mga freelancers at gustong magkaroon ng more online income. And even if you're a business owner na kapag marami kayong mga extra time, you can also access this. Now, learn from our speaker today, from our guest, kung papaanong gawin to. Ako po, nag-invite po ako ng mga guests para matuto rin po ako, no? I believe actually that there's no better person to learn more about this than our special guest. Konting kwento lang, no? More than 10 years ko na itong na-meet. Hindi tulad ng ibang mga guests natin na mga bagong friends ko. This guy has been my mentor since more than 10 years ago. Bata pa po siya. Pero more than 10 years ago, nung bagong-bago pa ang internet, nasa grade school pa lang ang bunso ko, this man was introduced to us by Brother Bo Sanchez himself dahil siya yung tech mentor ni Brother Bo. At nag-enroll ako sa kanya together with my kids doon sa isang computer shop sa farmer's market sa May Cubao. Now, ang tagal na nitong nangyari, ano? But since nakapasok ako sa kanyang mailing list, tuloy-tuloy na natatanggap ko yung kanyang mga emails about courses that he has been offering at yung kanyang mga success stories. Kaya nung magre-retire na ako, I decided to enroll so that I can learn also the skills of a virtual assistant. Dahil kahit na retired na ako, gusto ko pa rin kumita online that time. But that was more than about 10 years ago yata. No? And since then, ang daming beses ko nang tumakbo sa kanya para magpatulong, especially sa tech. And I'm very proud that kahit na 70 years old na ako, techie pa rin ako. Mas techie pa ako sa iba kaysa sa inyo. Mas techie pa ako sa some of my kids. Okay, dahil yan ang aking secret weapon, yung aking mentor sa tech. And every time may bagong ganap sa tech, he is the one who is super advanced. Kaya siya yung parati kong tinatakbuhan. So, I can tell you many more stories about what he has helped me with. Pero abutin tayo ng ilang araw dito. So, without further ado, let me introduce to you my tech mentor. Nakita nyo naman, nag-demo na siya kanina. He helped save us from this trouble that we were in earlier. That never happened before. So, here he is, Mr. Jomar Hilario. Yeah!
Yay! Hello! Hello po!
Okay, Sir Jomar, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Mami. And
so, Sir Jomar, I will ask you, just as usual, I will ask you a lot of questions. Pero dito sa show natin, marami akong tatanungin na question. Tapos, kukuha din tayo ng mga questions. Titingnan natin mga questions ng ating mga viewers sa Zoom at saka sa Facebook. Okay ba? Okay lang?
Yes, go for it. Sige.
Okay, thank you. The show is actually just for 1 hour, pero most of the time, there are many questions from our audience, kaya we tend to go over time. So, until what time po ba kayo pwede to answer?
10 lang ata, 10 o'clock lang kaya ko.
Hanggang 10 o'clock mamayang
gabi.
Sige. Pwede. Thank you. Yan, narinig nyo na ha. Ang bait-bait talaga ng aking mentor na si Sir Jomar. So, our dear viewers, kung meron kayong mga questions habang ako'y nagtatanong, paki-type ka agad sa chat box bago natin makalimutan ha. At huwag kayong mahihiya dahil babalikan natin ang mga questions mamaya. So, Sir Jomar, let's start with your journey. No? We know you as the virtual careers expert. Yung first book, meron pa nandito sa likod ko. Hindi nakalimutan kong ilabas. Virtual Careers na libro. No, but can you share with us how you discover? Actually, alam ko na yung kwento, pero maraming hindi nakakaalam. So, can you share with us how you discover the world of online income and yung mga biggest challenges na encounter ninyo sa inyong journey? Yan.
Alright. Bigyan ko kayo ng fast version na itong aking storya. Computer science graduate, sanay sa internet, sanay sa computer. Mahilig ako sa Christian music. Alam niyo yan? Christian music. Gusto ko, rock and roll kasi noon. Music that worships God. 16 years old pa lang ako. Then sila Brother Bo, nagpa-concert sa Araneta. First Christian rock concert ever sa Philippines. Sabi ko, tulong ako. Hindi ko sila kilala pero sabi ko, tulong ako. Kasi nga mahilig ako sa Christian music. So for 30 days, pinromote ko yung concert nila voluntarily, walang bayad. Hindi ako natulog. Internet marketing ang gamit ko. This is 2005. Tapos, after a few months, we did the second concert. Kilala niyo si Hillsong, di ba? So, one of the lead singers, hindi si Hillsong, pumunta sa Philippines. 30 days na naman. Pinuno namin ang Araneta Coliseum using, guess what? Internet marketing. That's the same year, 2005. 20 years na siya ngayon. Itong event na to. And panay internet marketing, panahon pa na to ng Multiply. Kung kilala niyo yung Multiply, no? So, after that, we did another concert. Internet marketing na naman ang ginamit namin. Of course, there's also a mix of offline marketing. Paano ko natutunan yan? Podcast and libro. Na on marketing, in-apply namin yung laman ng libro. When I say us, I mean kami nila Bo, paano mag-internet marketing kung ang libro mo ay tungkol sa marketing. Yun lang ginawa namin. Tapos, dire-diretso yun, if you know of this, The Feast, no? Kilala niyo yung The Feast, di ba? Nung time na yun, hindi siya The Feast. Siya ay Kerygma Feast. And it's only done once a month for 2,000 people only. Once a month lang talaga. Tapos, we used internet marketing in 2007 para mag-grow yan. So, kung merong The Feast sa inyo, sa Singapore ka, nasa ibang bansa ka, dun nang galing yun. So, I went behind the scenes sa online marketing for Brother Bo for 10 years.
Wow.
10 years. Behind the scenes, literally, hindi ako hinaharap na sa tao. And only the people who know na ako yung behind the scenes. And the people I hired are behind the scenes, are the people inside. Pag nag-attend sila ng Truly Rich Club, ganyan, saka lang ako nakakapagkwento. So that was the learning of how to do internet marketing. Yung mga ginagawa ni Mami N ngayon, funnels, webinars, lahat yun doon nagsimula. And fast forward, nagturo ako kila Mami N 2008, 2009 ng internet marketing. Alam niyo yung ginagawa ng mga gurus ngayon? That was the first thing I taught. Then, after 2 years, kasi nung nagsimula ako, nag-hire ako ng tao agad-agad. As in, 2005, nag-hire agad ako ng virtual assistants. Have you heard of the concept, virtual assistants? I started hiring 10 people, or 15 I think. Tapos nung 2010, people told me, as in clamor, literally, every month hinihingan ako ng seminar, Jomar, teach us how to become virtual assistants. 2010, hanggang pandemic, I was teaching virtual careers. And this book came out in the middle of that, 2015. Parang giveaway ko to sa Pilipinas. Ito na yung laman ng seminar ko. Bilhin mo na yung libro para ka na nag-seminar nung ginawa ko tong libro to. And dumating ang pandemic, everybody went virtual na, di ba? So I stopped. Sabi ko, okay, marunong na kayo lahat mag-online. Then I came to this, which is what I've been doing even longer, 2007, which is affiliate marketing. This is earning on the side na hindi masyadong visible. Hindi masyadong visible talaga. Parang business na walang nakakapansin. Yun naman ganon. So ganun yung ito pag-uusapan natin ngayon, lang nakakapansin. Kasi pwede kang maging virtual assistant, you're working at night as an employee during the day, but at night you're working for an US client. Pero on the side, you're still earning another one this way, yung second incomes. So yun yung storya ko. 4 kids, 1 wife, syempre. Yun lang po. Hopefully that helps you guys put a perspective in my journey. So pinakamahirap talagang nagawa doon nung nagsisimula pa lang ako. We have to bring 5,000 people to 10,000 people into one place. Lahat sila kailangan magbayad. And we only had 30 days to do it. Yung way I started is sobrang hirap talaga. So for many years, wala nang magmamatch sa hirap nun. Yung 10,000 people, dadalin mo sa isang lugar, lahat bayad nun. Tapos beginner ka pa. Beginner ako nung time na yun. So everything I would do courses. I have around 200 courses since I started. I would make a new course every month. So, lahat yun madali na comparatively. Yun. Si Mami N, kasama ko yan, pandemic. Usap kami ni Mami N twice a week. No kidding, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasama namin yung tropa.
Mm-hmm.
Pandemic twice a month, nag-uusap. Twice a week pala, nag-uusap kami nila Mami N kasi kailangan.
Para hindi masira yung
Para hindi masira. Kasi Mami, kasama ko siya, tinuruan ko sila, a small group of entrepreneurs, 2012, marketing success formula, mga $2,000 isa doon. Yun yung binabayad ni Mami and noon. But remember, I didn't teach entrepreneurs before. Sila lang, konti lang tinuruan ko. I mostly talk and thought about freelancing. Yeah.
Thank you for telling us about your journey, from Christian rock dahil sa internet marketing. Nabanggit yung funnels, mamaya tatanungin ko kung ano yan para malaman natin. Nag-umpisa sa mga VA, may mga tao pa lang hindi pa alam kung ano yung mga VA. So virtual careers po yung book, From Virtual Careers to Affiliate Marketing. Ako po ay natututo ng affiliate marketing at kumikita po ako dyan ako natutuwa, But yes, grabe yung challenge na ginawa ninyo 30 days for 10,000 people all paying. Nako. The 200 courses. Isang course pa lang nagkakandara pa na ako. I need to hear from you and learn from you again. Okay, that's really, really very inspiring. And I will not talk so much. I will ask my next question, which is, sabi ko, karamihan ng mga negosyante, nabanggit mo na rin lang, Sir Jomar, ang mga negosyante. Many small business owners, they want financial freedom. Kaya gusto nga nilang magnegosyo, pero hindi nila alam kung paano mag-uumpisa. So, in your case, what simple steps from your book can help them begin even if they are not tech savvy?
Alright, thank you Mami and sa question. Alam nyo, ang ginawa ko, sabi ko, panahon na ng AI ngayon. Tanungin ko si AI ano sagot niya. Pero syempre, ginawa ko muna yung sagot ko. Tapos kinompare ko sa sinabi ng AI. Definitely number 1, when you say financial freedom, sabi ni AI, at sabi ko din, ano yung sabihin nun? Kasi nung nangyari sa akin, 2009, nag-work ako sa Accenture. Kumikita ako sa internet 3 times my salary. Question, financially free na ba ako? Mayroon akong 80,000 sa Accenture. Mayroon akong additional 160,000 sa aking online. Is that financially free? So, first thing to do, pag gusto mo yung goal na yan, alamin mo kung anong goal mo. Sa pera, there are 2 ways to do this. Ako, invento ko lang to. Do you want 3 times your monthly income para sabihin mo financially free ka? Or, gusto mo ba 3 times your monthly expenses? Yun. So, kung hindi mo alamin yung expenses mo, alamin mo. Para ma-3 times mo siya, para pag naabot mo yung goal na yun, pwede mo sabihin, na-reach ko tong goal na to, financially free. Basta, the word is seek clarity para pag sinabi mong FF, financial freedom, clear sa'yo ano sabihin mo. Kasi alam nyo nangyari sa akin, nung natanggap ko yung di may 80,000 ako, real numbers to nabuwis na naman to di ba? Na-declare na sa gobyerno. Meron akong 160,000 extra. Hindi ako nag-resign. Bakit? Di ba kumikita ako ng 3x? Ba't ako magre-resign? Di ba? So for me, it's not really freedom. Until na ako na-retrench. Yun, umalis na ako. Wala na ako choice kasi na-retrench ako. Marami kaming na-retrench because of the financial crisis na umabot hanggang 2009. So that's the first thing. The second thing is understand kung anong pinapasok mo. Kaya ako ito ginawa para ipamigay sa mga Pilipino ang sikreto ng virtual assistant. Itong libro na to. Pumunta sa bookstore. Ito, ginawa ko to para makuha nyo. Ano ba pinapasok mo? Affiliate marketing? Meron ka bang makikitang libro? Alam mo, tumingin ako sa Amazon kasi Mami and affiliate marketing books. Ganyang kakapal. So, hindi ko babasahin to. Binuksan, pwede ka magbukas ng libro sa Amazon eh. Ang kakapal, tapos sobrang technical. Sabi ko, hindi ko babasahin to or anyone else. So gumawa ako ng ang lalaki ng letters. Chine! Hindi mo kailangan ng salamin. Tapos maraming kwento para maintindihan nyo ano yung pinapasok. Kasi sa totoo lang, ito yung pinakamababang risk of all real businesses. So anyway, understand what you're going through. And in the book, I created several checklists. Mga apat na checklist. Yung simplified checklist, yung mahabang checklist. And the last chapter of the book is another checklist. Yung mas mahabang version na, how do you get started? Kasi alam ko, pagkatapos nyo basahin to, tatanungin na naman, ano yung step by step? Gumawa ako ng cookbook version. Ingredients. Step 1, ito yung gawin mo. Gumawa ako cookbook version para lang, ito, maintindihan nyo, ano yung step by step. Kasi simple lang naman yung steps. Gumawa ako ng 4 na step by step doon sa book. So, first step, be clear about the financial freedom. Ano ba yan? Yung income goal. Pangalawa, understand muna ano yung pinapasok mo para hindi ka pasok sa mamali ka ng sariling diskarte. I think Mami M, you told it earlier kanina, kumuha ka ng mentor na medyo matagal-tagal na sa industry. Hindi yung, in the last 4 years, I earned 1 million. Pag inisip mo yon, nagsimula siya ng pandemic. Anong meron sa pandemic na wala noon? Everybody was online. Everybody was bored. Everybody wanted to do something online. So if you started ng pandemic, which kami nila Mami, we didn't start in pandemic. Siyempre, mayroon kang boost, right? Mayroon kang mas madaling mag-win, mag-succeed. I have a webinar. Bakit? Wala namang seminar eh. So try to get a mentor who actually done it kahit maganda ang times, mahina ang times, may crisis, walang crisis, mataas ang prices, lowest prices. Ang si Mami N, marami na napagdaanan. Para hindi ka maloko ng mga, I bought a brand new iMac. Or, here's a picture of my brand new car. Ganyan. Dami kasing ganun. Even the people I follow today, they do that. And nalulungkot ako sa kanila. Kasi, yeah, it works. It attracts people. But it attracts the wrong people. Kasi it's not about the car. It's about, may peace ka ba sa isip mo? Yung pamilya mo ba? Happy? Shallow way, kumbaga. Di ba? Anyway, that's the first 2 steps. I think I'm gonna start there lang. Hanggang dun lang muna. First 2 steps. Tapos kung techie ka, the way I did it for second incomes, no? And the way I do my courses. Kasi meron akong, ang dami kong course ngayon, isa. Okay ba? Isa lang. Ako yung nag-handle ng tech support. So kung meron ba, gusto mo idikit yung domain name mo sa website mo, ako nagagawa for you. And in their cases last year, I would do it for free. Bakit? I have time. I have the time to do it. It's easy for me to do. You don't have to do it. Pag nagreklamo yung mga members ko ng course ko na isa, si PFM, Yomar, disconnected to. Sige, ako mag-ayos. Ayusin ko lang. Takes me like a few minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sila, di ba Mami N? Nakita ko yung email ni Mami N years ago. Nag-create si Mami N ng PayPal. This is years ago. I'm not kidding you guys. Sabi ni Mami N, after 2 hours, meron na akong PayPal. I saw that email. Sabi ko, grabe, 2 hours. It's creation of a PayPal account. I can't do that for you kasi may mga personal information yun eh. Pero any other thing, in my courses, I take care of the technical parts. Tapos, sabi ni Mami, too long. I also do this thing na, di ba may AI? Noong unang panahon, pag sinabi kong gumawa ka ng vlog, mahihimatay ka kasi hindi ka marunong magsulat. Yes? Yes. Pag sinabi kong gumawa ka ng video, mahihimatay ka kasi wala naman akong camera, stuff like that. Ngayon, all you need to do, marunong ka ba mag-type? Tapos pag ayaw mo mag-type, kaya mo bang sabihin yung request mo sa AI? Sabihin. In Tagalog, Bisaya. This is what I teach today. You take your phone, kausapin mo ng Bisaya, and it's not just that. You have to tell it specific things, yung prompting, the science prompting. Tapos mapapagawa mo talaga si AI ng trabaho na ginagawa ng assistant na 30,000 ang sweldo. Just because you told it the right thing. So, every time I would teach ngayon, in my course, laging, ito yung proper way to use AI, sabihin mo lang to, tapos siya na ang bahala. Tapos, ang output ng AI, ngayon, for creating text, creating blog posts, creating posts dito sa Facebook, hindi mo kang gawa ng AI. That's because, marunong ako mag-prompt properly. Kasi ayoko pag mukhang ginawa ni AI, kasi parang ang fake-fake naman yan. Ganon. So, the technical problem today, 2025, medyo wala na kung marunong kang magsalita. At magbisayain mo si AI, bibisayain ka rin niya. Di ba? I'm sorry, kaya niya na eh. Di ba? Hindi ko lang alam kaya niya ng yung, language sa Zamboanga. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung kaya niya. Pero I haven't tried. So, for technical problems today, kung mahirap na hindi kaya ng AI, I normally take care of it for my students. Tapos, for other things, like sasabihin ko, gawa kayo ng vlog. I just tell you exactly what to tell the AI. Just copy my stuff and paste it and that's it. Meron ka ng magandang blog post or magandang video script na babasahin mo na lang. Or, alam nyo today, you don't even have to show up on camera. Computer graphics. na ang magsasalita. And I posted a brand new one. Speaking in Spanish, ako gumawa ng script. It's computer thing. Nagsasalita siya in Spanish. And bakit? Kasi type this para maintindihan ninyo. When you start off affiliate marketing or this thing, lagi kayo mag-isip global. Global audience lagi. Don't try to think you're going to create something for the Filipinos. Hindi kailangan. Just go for global. Type nyo G for global. Para maintindihan nyo, may pera ba dito? Oo, kasi global market. Tapos para masaya, gusto mo English global market lang. English speaking lang. Kaya, diba? So anyway, sagot ko ba? Ano sagot ko?
Oo, nasagot mo. At saka Jomar may nagsabi, kaya daw yung Chabacano. Siguro, ginawa ni Alfred Melvin Soliva. Okay,
Very good.
Marami kang mga fans. Nandyan lahat ng mga fans mo. Nasa Facebook, nasabing natuto daw sila sa iyo. Dami daw nilang natutunan. So, totoo po yan. I learned so much from Sir Jomar and you already see, hindi to mga bayad na tulad ng ibang mga vlogger. Anong tawag doon? Yung mga troll farms.
Troll farms nila.
Troll farms, no? So, alam ko, kilala ko yung mga pangalan nila. Sila Abby, sila mga fans mo, and they really swear by the lessons that si Sir Jomar teaches. Nakita nyo naman, napakasimple. He tries to make everything simple, practical, and actionable. Okay, so eto pa. Nasagot mo na yata ito, pero itatanong ko pa rin, no? Ano yung mga tools or resources sa libro mo na makakatulong sa mga small business owners like us para hindi na kami matakot so that we will be more confident to start our online income journey, lalo na yung mga takot sa tech.
Okay. Alam nyo ba, ibang-iba na ang mundo ngayon. Ang AI, pagbukas mo ni Google, meron ng AI built-in.
Oo. Kahit ayaw mo.
Si Google, mag-type ka sa Google, built-in na si AI. Pero pag gusto mong kausapin, download mo pa yung Gemini para makausap mo siya ng, hey, usap tayo. Ganun. Gemini is a Google AI. So that's the one tool, no, yung Google na AI. So pangalan, Gemini. Ngayon, yung pangalawang tool, mga kapatid, alam nyo na itong tool na to, ginagamit ito ngayon, pero ako yung isa sa mga unang gumamit, Facebook group. Nakakakita na kayo ng Facebook group. Dati, sikat yan, tapos hindi pa siya sikat, ginagamit ko na yan. Tapos naging sikat siya, tapos bumagsak yung popularity. Ngayon, bumabalik siya ngayon. As long as you own the Facebook group, sa'yo. Tapos papuntahin mo yung mga tao sa Facebook group. Doon mo na sila pwedeng kausapin or magla-livestream katulad ng ganito. Okay? So that's one tool that you need today. The other tool you need today is newsletter. Email newsletter. Di ba sabi ni Mami, mag-subscribe kayo doon sa aking startup kit. Ganyan. Ang tawag doon, nag-i-invite siya para makakuha ka ng sulat na dati papel, ngayon, computerized na letter. Okay? So, yun yung tools na, alam nyo, yun na yun, minimum tools na yun. Meron kang newsletter. Usually, ang newsletter, ang tawag ng iba dito, lalo na yung mga baguhan, ang tawag nila sa newsletter, panels. Okay? That's what they call it. Imbudo. Yun ang tawag nila sa yan, panel, imbudo, yan ang tawag nila sa newsletter. Kami, we call it newsletter kasi hihingi yung email, hihingi sila ng email address, tapos papadalan mo sila ng sulat. Okay? Yung sulat na yon, guess sinong susulat ng sulat? Let me, sinong gagawa ng letter na yon? Si AI. And how will you make the AI make it? Tuturo ko sa'yo paano gumawa ng sulat. Pero meron pang another thing na skill naman. Hindi siya tool, it's a skill. Mga kapatid, alam natin lahat ito, pagkukwento.
So, lahat ng tao kayang mag-storytell. Kaya yung mga iniisip natin na hindi ko kaya, all of that, no, sabi nga natin, kung may sistema tayo, kung meron tayong magaling na mentor, it can happen. And you can make money out of it. And si Sir Jomar will teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Now, I'd like to ask you another question habang ako hindi pa nagahang. Could you share a success story naman of a small business owner who used your methods? Pwera ako. Additional revenue streams. Ano yung kanilang turning point? Yan.
Okay, maganda tong tanong na to. So, bigyan ko ng condition na konti lang ang business owners na tinuruan ko for the last 15 years, alright? So, mas marami akong tinuruan na employee na naging freelancer, alright? Pero, merong clinic owner at drugstore owner. Sino sa inyo may clinic or drugstore? Okay? Meron siyang, kilala ni Mami Ann, tatago natin ang pangalan para yung identity medyo surprise. Mahilig siya sa martial arts. Hobby lang niya yon. So, kumikita na yung kanyang drugstore, kumikita na yung kanyang clinic, pero sabi niya, sarap naman martial art, laki to. So, ang ginawa niya, normal, like everyone here, pumunta sa mga Facebook group ng mahilig sa martial arts, right? Tapos, nakipag-chat-chatan sa mga foreigners na mahilig sa martial arts. Alam mo, ang gusto ng mga yan ay certification. Tapos, para matuto si clinic owner ng martial arts, pumupunta sila sa napaka-social na lugar, Luneta. Tapos, yung mga taga-Tondo nandun, magagaling mag-martial arts, tinuturuan sila. sila. So think about this, ang yayaman nila, may clinic owner, hello, mayaman sila. Munta sa Luneta, naka-t-shirt, shorts, tapos papaturo sila sa mga taga-Tondo how to do arnis. Gets? Nag-pandemic. Guess what happened to, siyempre binabayaran nila itong mga taga-Tondo. Guess what happened to yung kikitain ng mga nagtuturo ng arnis, di ba zero? Ay, bawal pumunta sa Luneta, di ba? So ang ginawa niya, sabi nga, kawawa naman si Manong. Tulungan natin. So ang ginawa niya, nagpadala siya ng email or saka message sa kanilang Facebook groups. Hindi kanya yung Facebook group Facebook group na ibang tao yon. Tulungan natin si Manong kasi sikat kasi yung mga taga Luneta na mga Manong internationally na magaling sila mag-arnis. Remember, Philippine martial arts ang arnis. You can only find the experts here. So sabi niya, tulungan natin sila. Ito gagawin natin. Remember si Manong, hindi marunong siya gumamit ng computer. So, ginawa nila, in-announce nila, magtuturo si Manong, eto bayad. Hindi mura yung siningil nila. I think ginamit nila PayPal ni clinic owner. Nagsumingil sila, eto yung catch, eto yung offer. The offer is, tutulungan kayo ni Manong, pagandahin yung style nyo, mag-selfie video lang kayo, paano kayo mag-ganon-ganon. Arnis Pag selfie video, padala mo kay Manong. Tapos si Manong, mag-selfie din siya, explaining and showing ano yung dapat mong ayusin in Tagalog. Siyempre, Tagalog or English, pero importante yung moves This one wrong, this one right. So, si Manong, ginawa nila, nag-collect sila ng pera. When I say sila, at least dalawa sila, nag-partner sila, pareho silang mahilig sa martial arts. Kasama yung estudyante ko. Tapos, nag-collect sila ng money from these foreigners. Binigay nila kay Manong yung pera. Gets? Si Manong kumita. Tapos, all they had to do was, after that, I think 2 weeks na, you can send me videos to Manong. Tapos, yun. Tapos, Manong will send you videos to correct by showing you paano yung dapat mong gawin. So, ganun lang yung transaction. Ang galing. Ang galing. Tapos, let's fast forward after pandemic. Pwede ka na magyaya ng experts, di ba? Kasi tapos na yung lockdown. The same thing that they did. Gumawa sila ng sariling FB page. Tapos nagyaya sila ng foreigners this time to come to the Philippines to teach them. Silang naiwan sa Pilipinas. Paano mag martial arts? Now remember, nagpapatakbo siya ng clinic. So, unrelated talaga. Hobby lang niya. Ngayon, since mahal ang plane fare, mahal ang hotel, so they charge a good amount of money for those people to come and nag-rent sila ng gym. Tapos doon nagturo yung one day lang. Doon nagturo yung martial arts expert na galing sa ibang bansa. They did that several times. Doon lang sa small circle nila ng martial arts. Kumita sila talaga doon. Okay? Pero in both cases, hindi yan affiliate marketing, obviously. Kasi those are gaining extra income from your hobby, kumbaga. Which is exactly what affiliate marketing is. Si Manong, hindi siya yung nagtayo, right? Si Manong lang yung nag-execute ng service. Ang ginawa lang nila, nag-middleman lang sila. Oh, here's the money, I'll give you the money, ganyan. So affiliate marketing is actually easier than that. You register to a website, okay? They give you a link, you send the link to people interested, and then you make money. That's it. And if you have a website, you put the link in the internet, it stays there forever. So, mas simple ang affiliate marketing. Can I answer it in a different way? All the gurus that you have, most of them are earning on the side using affiliate marketing. All of them. So majority ng mga magagaling, they would earn from affiliate marketing. Pero they don't advertise it. Oh, I'm gonna earn 30% half pag bumili kayo dito sa service na to. They don't do that. But they do. They do earn that. So, lalo na internationally. Yan. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I hope I answered that question.
Yeah, thank you very much. No? So, pwedeng kumita kahit na doktor, kahit na may parmasya, kahit nasa diskarte lang yan. No? Because the internet has so many opportunities. And yung pinakasimple, pinakamadali is affiliate marketing. Believe me, I am an affiliate. Ang nagturo sa akin si Sir. At kami nagkikita-kita kami kung saan kami nagiging affiliates. Very exciting. So anyway, I have a DM here. Someone is asking if Mami N is accepting coaching clients. Yes po. Just message me dito sa sa Facebook. And or you can also go to maminegosyo.com. Meron pong link doon on how you can get in touch with me. Okay, so napaka-inspiring ng kwento ng aking mentor na si Sir Jomar Hilario. So okay, ito pa rin technical skills pa rin So, paano kung talagang technical skills talaga ang problema nila? Pwede ba silang matuto sa libro na yon? Yung the second book, the affiliate marketing book. So, yes, that one, the second incomes book. Does it have specific instruction tungkol sa pag-overcome ng common obstacle na technology?
Very good. Thank you sa question, Mami N. So, meron kasing secret itong libro na to, and ito lang ang kaisa-isang libro na ginawa sa mundo na may kasamang 10 Zoom calls. Okay.
Ah.
Nagsimula kami 2 months ago. So, nakamiss na kayo ng 2 Zoom calls. Okay? Pero hanggang December kami, last Saturday of December, 8 o'clock ng gabi, ang pinangako ko normally 1 hour and a half, maabot kami ng 3 oras. Or hanggang sawa, hanggang nandyan kayo, hindi ako alis. Ganon. So, once a month, we meet and I discuss kung ano man yung fear, limitation, wrong belief, clarification. And then, yung ginawa ko nung second meeting, nagturo ako, I'll give you context muna para masaya. One of the biggest things I was surprised, no? People love this page in the book, page 50. Bakit? Nandyan yung cost. Anong cost, Jomar, yan? Cost ng milk tea business. Tapos cost ng pag nagbenta ka ng mga kwek-kwek, yung mga ganun sa kanto-kanto, yung ganun. Yung maliliit lang na shop, kiosk sa mall, ganyan, kiosk sa kanto-kanto. So meron akong cost dito ng kiosk, meron akong cost na milk tea, meron akong ng cost na affiliate marketing. So apparently, this was a favorite of all people na nagbasa ng libro na to. Bakit? Kasi hindi ko pinagawa sa AI to. Kasi I run a business. I'm a CEO of a corporation, more than 10 years na. So alam ko yung actual cost ng isang business, including yung mga SEC, BIR, all that stuff. PhilHealth, alam ko lahat yan. Financials. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko dito yung totoong cost ng isang business. A franchise and a kiosk. Then, kinumpare ko sa affiliate marketing. I want you to pay attention to the expenses of affiliate marketing. Blanco. Can you see that? Blanco na sa ilalim. Get the book so you can see the detail, no? Tapos, dire-diretso pa rin yung expense ng dalawa. Can you see the blank page there? The blank spot?
Yes.
Wala na. Kasi sobrang konti ng expenses ng affiliate marketing compared to the normal business. Pwede talaga i-sideline. Tapos, di ba I told you about the second meeting? In the second meeting of na na-miss ninyo na Zoom call, nagpakita ako ng no-cost model. Ano sabihin ng no-cost model? So, tingin nyo, magkano gagastusin mo sa no-cost model?
Wala, no cost.
Zero. Zero. May nagtanong, magkano ROI niyan? Bahala ka. You paid nothing, essentially. And then, pag kumita ka, ROI ka agad. Wala, hindi ka magbibilang ng ROI kasi it's a no-cost model. Now, bakit ko ginawa yon? Kasi pwede ka talagang kumita ng no-cost. Pero may risk ang no-cost. However, since hinihingi ng mga tao ang no-cost, binigay ko. Pero hindi lang naman no-cost. Ang ideal kasi talaga, meron ka minimal cost. The minimal cost of affiliate marketing is about 15,000 pesos monthly. Bago kayo himatayin, my students now are averaging cost 2,000 a month lang. Okay? Yung mga nagsa-start pa lang, 2,000 a month lang ang cost nila because kakasimula lang nila. All the cost goes to actually technology lang. Website, ganyan. And tools, yun lang. So some people are thinking, mahirap ba yan? Risky ba yan? Yung mga limiting stuff na yan. Usually, nahalad na ng libro and kung kulang yung libro, the first meeting naman na na-miss yung Zoom call, panay questions yon. Sinagot ko lahat ng mga questions. 3 oras na mga questions. Tapos, so guess what are we going to do in the 8 more na sessions? Diba? Adi, magtanong kayo, sasagutin ko. Maghahanap na naman ako ng bagong paraan para ma-maximize nyo yung affiliate marketing journey nyo. It's the only book with essentially 10-month supports. Pagkatapos mong kunin yung libro, susuportahan kita for 10 months. Right? So, Zoom calls. Now, meron akong special for those still here. If you're gonna watch this show until end, so stay with us. Meron akong special. Gusto nyo bang may kopya kayo ng first meeting na na-miss nyo at saka ng second meeting na na-miss nyo? Gusto nyo ba may kopya kayo nun? Pag kinuha nyo yung libro, okay? So, kung gusto nyo, type nyo yes. Pag gusto nyo may kopya kayo. Kasi, the people who got the book late, wala silang kopya nun. I did not give them the recording. Yung recording, pumupunta lang siya sa loob ng isang course. Ang title ng course ay Profitable Funnels Mentoring. That's my exclusive course, 16 months. Sila, may kopya sila. Pero yung bumili lang ng libro, you have to attend live para makuha mo yung, yung libro. Yeah. We ship internationally for free.
Oo, wag na e-book. Nagtatanong pa ng e-book. Physical book, mas masaya.
You get the e-book, you get the book. Once you buy, you get the e-book and the book. And then, we'll ship it to you for free internationally. Basta abot ka ng Amazon. Pag hindi ka abot ng Amazon, hindi kita matutulungan. Okay? Kasi, di ba? So, wait, yan yung link kung gusto nyo. May link kung gusto nyo, okay?
Yan,
go check out the link in the chat. Nilalagay nila yung link. Tapos, in the chat room, if you can see Anne, she read the book 3 times. And Anne is a high-earning virtual assistant, virtual professional. Okay? Nasagot ko ba yung tanong? Yeah. When you start a new business, nakakatakot kasi baka magkamali ka. Right? So, Neil, wag mo na sabihin para secret na natin yon.
Merong HM. Sagutin ba natin yung HM?
Ay, wag nyo nang sagutin yung HM. I-click nyo na lang yung link. Sige, sabihin na natin, fine. It's cheaper than nagpakain ka ng 2 manok. Halimbawa, may manok, buo, di ba, bumili kang 2, parang gano'n. Sa restaurant, mga gano'n. 2 bucket. Bucket. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Diba?
Oo.
You have to stay to the end para malaman nyo anong makukuha nyo if you buy the book.
Sige. So, let's talk about affiliate marketing, Sir Jomar, no? Bakit yung affiliate marketing ay napaka-suitable? Swak na swak ito sa mga small business owners na tulad namin compared to other online business models. Kasi ang dami-dami namang pwedeng pagkakitaan sa online. But why
that's true.
affiliate marketing? The easiest, the fastest
Yes.
way to make money for us.
So, magtatanong ako sa attendees, participants, mga kapatid. Meron ba kayong Shopee, TikTok, or Lazada store? Or kayo ba ay TikTok affiliate? Yan. Lahat ng sumagot ng A, meron silang ginawa na mahirap. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mahirap, pero ibubulong ko lang. Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, bubulong ko lang kasi dapat ibulong eh. We're in the Philippines. This thing needs to be quiet. Mahirap yung pinagdaanan ninyo. Kayong may mga Shopee store, Lazada store, and TikTok store. Pati na kayong mga TikTok affiliates. Ang hirap maging registered. Tama, mali. Buwan-buwan, every quarter, nagre-report ka. Hire ka ngayon ng CPA. Tapos, mali pa yung CPA. Mali. Bayad ka ng fines. Pag nag-affiliate marketing ka internationally, hindi mo kailangan gawin yan. Hindi pa. Kasi nag-ooperate ka internationally. International audience, international sellers. Requirement to register is not required. Kasi nasa international ang galawan. Yung ultimo website mo nasa international. Sino lang ang nasa Philippines? Ikaw lang. Halimbawa nasa Qatar ka, Singapore ka, Japan ka. Hindi ka magre-register doon. Bakit? Ang galawan international. Tanggal ang ng registration. It's so easy to start. Click this link, register your email, confirm your email. They give you a link. You just need to know what to do with the link. And alam nyo na what you need to do with the link, gumawa ka ng content. So sinabi ko na yung bulong, tama na, wag nyo na ako i-quote. Okay? Kasi totoo siya. If the trade happens internationally between two countries, which country should tax it? Hindi ka kasama. Kasi the money doesn't go to you at all. You get me? It goes to from this country to that country. Tama na yung technical na yan. Bottom line, I already told you the answer. Okay? Ngayon, second one is, ang paggawa ng content, yun ang gagawin mo kasi. Basically, affiliate marketing is creating content and kailangan mo lang galingan ang pag-utos sa AI. Utusan mo lang si AI na gawan ka ng content. Tapos kung susundan nyo lang yung may mga prompts itong libro na to. May actual prompts. Ipe-paste nyo na lang sa loob ng AI. Tapos huwag na kayong gumawa ng content. Pagawin nyo na sa AI ng content. Yes? Now, bakit may 10 na Zoom calls? Kasi every month may bagong pakana si AI. Yes? So, pwede po kayong turuan ng bagong prompts. Yes? So, anong kailangan mo doon? Meron tayong zero cost na model. May cost na model, which I actually like kasi safe yon. Medyo risky ang zero cost. Tapos, all you have to do is time na lang. No? Bakit magandang affiliate marketing? Kasi kung business owner ka, gusto mo ng sideline na second income na hindi maano sa oras. Hindi malakas sa oras. Hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo, magbenta ka sa TikTok. May TikTok store ako. Ang hirap! Hindi kasama yung registration doon ha. Magbabasa ka lang ng rules ng TikTok. Ang hirap pareho ng Lazada store, pareho ng Shopee store. Ang hirap, ang dami nilang rules. Bili ka ng inventory, bili ka ng packaging, bili ka ng thermal printer, bili ka ng sticker. Ang dami mong ginagawa. Tapos mamaya, ang dami mo nang binili. Puno na yung bahay mo. Hindi yan magandang sideline. Kung gusto mo ng sideline na portable, ang kailangan mo lang daliri, computer. So it's easier to do anywhere you are. Babakasyon ka, tapos pagod na kayo, tinulugan ka na ng mga kasama mo. O di, pwede ka naman computer. Di ba? Hindi yung mga anak mo nagbe-beach, nagtatrabaho ka, hindi maganda yon. Dapat tulog na sila, saka ka mag-work kasi tinulugan ka na nila. It's extremely portable. Tapos it's unlike forex and stocks if you're considering that, no. It doesn't require you to surrender your 1 million pesos. Tapos i-risk mo siya, tapos tututukan mo si forex and stocks, di ba? Yung tinatawag nilang dropshipping, which is what you're doing now with Lazada and Shopee or Amazon, you still need to buy inventory and you still need to be great Facebook ads na sobrang hirap gawin. Kung may kakilala kayong magaling sa Facebook ads, yan sila Ann, sila Nina, mga estudyante ko lang din yan. Sila Plinky. Sila yung magagaling sa Facebook ads. It's not easy to become good at Facebook ads. Lalo na ngayon, may additional tax na ang Facebook ads. Diba? Mas mahal na siyang gawin. Diba? So, yon. That's why it's more ideal. All you need to do is devote like an hour a day or an hour a week, kung trip mong a week, para to sit down, utusan si AI para mag-create ng content. And put that in the newsletter, which I explained in day 2, sa bonus na Zoom. And lagay mo rin the same content sa Facebook group na ikaw ang gumawa, which is also in bonus number 2, dun sa Zoom. And essentially, that's the job.
Okay, so convinced na ba kayo about affiliate marketing? Now, the question question is, Sir Jomar, halimbawa, mag-uumpisa na kami, bibili na kami ng libro, tapos mag-upload kami ng Zoom session. Ano yung realistic timeline na meron na kaming makikitang results?
Okay, good. So, ang result, define natin ang result. Thank you, Mami N. Nung nagsimula ako, I learned something. Isa daw sikreto ng marketing yan. Nung nagsimula ako lang ito. Remember, nagpo-concert kami, di ba? Papa-concert kami sa Araneta nila, Brother Bo. So, ang marketing pala dapat, synergy yan. So you're not doing one thing at the same time. You have to do more than one thing, two things. So meron kang newsletter, meron kang Facebook group, meron kang Facebook page, obviously, di ba? So pagsasabay-sabayin mo yan, synergy. Okay? Tapos maingay ka sa social media groups na bagay. Pag nisay bagay, pag nagbebenta ka ng kitchenware na mahal, in other words, hindi ko gumawa ng kitchenware, nakita mo lang sa Amazon, you go to the place where people love to cook. Yes? Doon ka nag-create ng content. Okay? Pag nagbebenta ka ng spices sa Lazada, tapos hindi naman ikaw gumagawa, you're just like, ikaw lang yung affiliate, ang tawag doon. You go to places where people like to experiment with food. Ganon. So, isi-synergy mo lahat yan. So, ang first result na gusto mong malaman is, pag may newsletter ka na, meron ka bang subscriber? That's the first result. Doon sa technique na tinuro ko sa day 2, siguro within a week, meron ka ng new subscribers because of the platform na pinili ko for you, yung zero cost. Okay? So, if you can go to a place na meron kang subscribers na interested dun sa topic ng iyong newsletter, I think I need to be more specific dun sa topic ng newsletter. Okay lang, example tayo.
Sige.
Real live affiliate marketing. Hindi nyo to pwedeng gayahin ha. Totoong example lang siya, pero wag nyo siyang gagayahin. Okay. Kasi, well, first of all, you have to relate before that works. Okay. So, kilala niyo po ito. Yan. This is an actual example. Affiliate marketing example. Kilala niyo siya? Statue siya ni, pasensya na medyo butas. Statue siya ni, sino siya? Si Saint Therese of Lisieux. So, I did research on the internet. How many people so, kilala niyo si Taylor Swift, di ba? Billions of fans. Yes? So, ito, si Saint Therese of Lisieux, saint siya from France. Ilan sa tingin niyo ang fan sila nito? Itong tao na to, na namatay na. Santo siya. Catholic saint. So, I asked AI, right? So, marunong ka magtanong sa AI. So, pinag-market research ko si AI. There are approximately 4 million English-speaking people who buy products around Saint Therese of Lisieux, around the world. English-speaking, sabihin, kaya mong gumawa ng content for them, and they actively buy products about Saint Therese of Lisieux. So, may mga produkto sa Amazon and everywhere na tungkol sa kanya. What is affiliate marketing? Hindi ikaw gumawa ng produkto. Kukuha ka ng link do sa website where the stuff is being sold. Let's say, statue na maliit. Then you tell people, oh, gusto niyo ng statue ni Saint Therese, may bagong labas ngayon. Tapos yung text na sinabi ko, papagawa mo sa AI yun, hindi mo gagawin yun. Okay, baka ma-stress out ka. Sabi mo kay AI, there's a brand new statue of Saint Therese. I want to make people excited for it. Give me a very short intro. Tapos gagawa siya ng intro. Pa-paste mo ngayon sa group. Anong group yun? People who love Saint Therese. Yes? People who love saints. Catholic devotees. Okay? Tapos kung trip mo, pa-translate mo kay Google yung ginawa na yun para French. Kasi remember, she's French. Okay? So, tapos bibigyan mo sila ng link. So, ang effort mo, you tell AI what to do, you get the text, you put it in the places where it's going to be attractive for them, and they will buy. Once they buy, you get paid. You get paid for a percentage na, let's say 10%, 3%, depends on what is the product that you're selling. So, you might say, ay, mura lang yan. Hindi, mahal ang statue. Maliit lang to, kaya mura to. Ang mga statue mas malaki, mas mahal. Ang banner, mas mahal. You know what a banner is? Flag na nakalagay, Saint Therese. Now, question, are you interested in this example? The answer is no. Yes? Are there 4 million people on the planet interested in this? The answer is yes. Ang tawag doon, buying market. Tinanong kay AI, sino ang buying market? Hindi yung people who like Saint Therese lang. The people who buy products around this saint. So, that's how it works. Napansin niyo yung kwento ko earlier. Si clinic owner, mahilig siya sa martial arts. So, ang binenta niya related to martial arts. Ganon. Kung mahilig ka kasi talaga dun sa thing, mas madali talagang magsalita. Tapos pag hindi mo kayang magsalita, kasi sabi mo, ang alam ko Bisaya, how am I going to speak English to international audience? Ibigay mo kay AI, I want to promote, in Bisaya, I want to promote this product, Saint Therese Lisieux statue, $200. Mahal yun ha? Please give me an English version, inviting people, very short. Tapos gagawa si AI ng script, kopyahin mo, paste mo. Yun. That's the work. Hindi mo, that's the work. Tapos, if it feels very, parang ang hila naman ng work na yun, kasi that's step 1. Ang step 2, you invite people into your Saint Therese newsletter if this is your market or niche. Doon, papagawa ka kay AI ng mga mahahabang newsletter. Na mahaba, meaning one page. Remember, sinabi ko, marunong kayo mag-storytell? Yeah? I was in the Zoom yesterday. There's this guy who talked about the statue of Saint Therese of Lisieux. Blah, blah, blah. That's how to tell stories. Nasagot ko ba yung Mami, nawala na ako sa tanong.
Ang ganda ng nung example na yon dahil talagang very concrete at kung paano kikitain. It looks like it's very doable. Parang you can just look at anything and you can just be innovative and create something out of it. Gaya lang kanina, meron tayong nabanggit na funnels. So,
Oo,
sales funnels. Would you want to explain? Kasi puro lahat na lang ng tao ngayon, sales funnel, funnel
Yeah.
dito, funnel doon. Do you really need to have a funnel para kumita online? Kailangan ba yan ng affiliate marketing na tinutulungan?
Okay. There are two ways to earn affiliate marketing, short term and long term. Pag short term, yung kinuwento ko, ganun na yun. You take a link na, halimbawa, the person na nagbebenta ng ganito, mahal na ganito. Pag open siya to affiliate, sabihin, ini-invite ka niya to sell this to take 20% pag nabenta mo sa ibang tao. You can just take the link and put it in the internet and you're done. That's super short term kasi sa tingin nyo, 200 people today will buy this book from this Zoom class. What do you think? What do you guys think?
Yes.
If there's 200 people here today, will they all buy from this book? What do you guys think? Pwede. Ano yung totoo? Ano yung totoo? Pwede. May 200. Kung 200 tayo lahat dito, pwedeng bumili silang lahat. Lalo na pag nakita lang mura lang. May kasama pang 10 na Zoom. Pero ang katotohanan dyan, hindi lahat. Yes? Meron dyang isa, dalawa hindi bibili. Kasi hindi pa sila ready. Yes? So, ano gagawin mo? Bibili sila in the near future. How do you get them to tell them, bilhin mo na to kasi may Pasko, may discount, blah, blah, blah. So, you need to get their email address. That's why you need at least one. Yung one-level funnel means, here's my ebook. Halimbawa, ebook to. Here's my ebook and please give me your email address. I'll send you the ebook. That's the first level funnel. This ebook needs to be about Saint Teres. Yes, obviously. Kung tungkol sa Saint Teres. Kung ang gusto ko, an ebook about money, libro yan. Ebook ka, papagawa mo rin yung ebook sa AI normally. Okay. Ibang kwento yon. Mag-usap tayo doon sa 10 Zoom calls. Tapos, i-offer mo to sa kanila para bigay sa'yo yung email. So, you need to do that. Pero, di ba, Mami En, sasabihin lang, hindi ako marunong gumawa niyan. Guess who does that for you? Guess who does that for you? Hindi ako marunong gumawa niyan, Mami En. Ako na gagawa para sa inyo. Kasi copy-paste ko lang yan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng template, pipindutin yung template. Tapos, kung kailangan i-customize, papalitan nyo lang yung product. But I'll give you the tutorials how to do this to customize. Pero basically, yung gagawin mong technical, ako na gagawa. Pag sumali kayo dito, pili kayo ng libro. Tapos, may mga binabayaran pag meron kang funnel. Ito yung domain name na tinatawag. Sobrang cheap naman po ng expense na yun. Mga 1,000 pesos a year. So, at 1,000 pesos a year para magka-funnel ka, siguro naman okay lang. Yeah? What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Para magka-funnel ka, one-level funnel?
Yes.
Kasi it filters people who are interested in this and not interested in this, in the whatever you're trying to get into. Yun, sagot ko ba? That's the funnel. By the way, may bago akong concept sa funnel kasi I'm gonna teach this Magtuturo ako Mami En ng bagong series, Teaching Funnels. Trip ko lang kasi meron akong mga 4 na video sa YouTube na tagta 2 oras teaching funnels. So medyo hindi masyado maraming views, mga 2,000, 3,000 views lang. Sabi ko siguro gusto ng tao shorter. So for those interested, make sure na follow nyo tong si Mami En. I-announce ko na magtuturo ako ng funnels lang kung gusto nyo matuto ng funnels for free. Okay? So, isi-shorten ko yung mga videos kong 8 hours yun sa YouTube. Okay. Gagawa ko ng shorter versions. I'll redo them and then put it in a Facebook group. Yun yung ginagawa ko, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Dahil ko siya sa Facebook group, ang matututo lang, pupunta lang doon yung gusto matuto ng funnels. Games? And yun. It's a project na gusto ko lang gawin kasi nga, umabalik ako doon sa funnel thing. Kahit na isang level lang yung funnel na ginagawa ko for many years. Ayun, Mami En.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Ako'y natutulala dahil meron na namang libre. But anyway, yan. No, so may mga libre na. At grabe, bibili kayo ng isang libro. Bibili lang kayo ng isang libro. Tapos you will have Sir Jomar for 10 months. At pwede kayong magtanong. Yung per hour rate ni Sir Jomar, ewan ko kung afford natin. No? But then, we can learn from him for free. So ano pang hinihintay natin? No? Kaya lang, ito Sir Jomar just like any other thing that when people learn, there are emotional or mindset challenges. Yan. Kasi ang talagang makakapagpahinto sa atin para maging successful ay yung mindset. Kasi sinasabi ko, be business-minded Pinoy. No? So, ano yung mga usual emotional or mindset challenges na meron tong mga small business owners na tulad namin kapag gusto na naming magkaroon ng added online income streams. Paano makakatulong yung libro mo? Nabalitaan ko yung libro mo meron ding section on that. Can you tell us more about that, Sir Jomar?
Yes, merong secret itong libro na to. Nung lumabas to,
Happy.
hindi ko kinukwento kasi gusto ko ma-surprise lahat ng tao. Section 4. The section 4 is completely different from the rest of the book. Okay? Yung mga nakabasa na, sabihin nyo nga yung insight reaction nyo sa section 4. Kasi I designed this para sa people who will hate you. Ano yung haters? Ano yung haters? Diba? Pag naging sikat ka kasi, ina-assume mo people will start hating you. Tama, di ba? Sasabihin ng mga YouTubers, ang daming nag-hate sa akin sa comments. So, this entire section 4 is for pag nangyari yan na meron kang hater. In the section 4, it teaches you what to do. I'm gonna show you an example right now. And this is like the section 4 live. Game kayo? Pero this is not the content of section 4. This is an example of how it works. Type nyo nga G kung gusto nyo makita yung paano mo overcome ngayon tong emotional problems, mindset problems, no? Tapos kung may sa inyo na-enjoy ito sa ginagawa namin ni Mami N, sabihin nyo kay Mami N na i-enjoy nyo, ha? So, here, I did this to you guys earlier. Sa life kasi, di ba, meron tayong problema pa-pursue ng malaking bagay tulad ng isang sideline business, second incomes, no? You do it alone. Di ba, the entrepreneur is alone? Di ba, yun ang reklamo ng mga taong business owners, eh. I'm doing it this alone. Even the freelancer, pag midnight na, nagtatrabaho pa siya, bukas napasok pa siya kasi sideline lang niya yung freelancer. Ang feeling mo talaga mag-isa ka lang, di ba? So laking problema yan kasi tinawag tatanungan ko, may AI nga pero hindi naman siya tao, di ba? Tutulungan ka ni AI pero hindi naman niya gagawin for you. They just give you ideas. So when you feel alone and you're trying to do something as difficult as this, creating a brand new income source. Sa libro ko nga, it's more than one. Kasi kaya may S yan, incomes na may dollar. You earn from this company, then you earn from that company, then you earn from that company, multiple streams of income. So it's promising talaga na mahirap. Yes?
Yes.
Kung mahirap siya, then you have to overcome yung isang problema which is mag-isa ako. So, nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ni Mami N, magaling kami dito. Tanan! Cash flow 101. This is a game board, hindi ko siya binibenta, huwag kayo mag-alala. This is a game board, nagsimula kami, we're trying to learn about money. May mga money concepts tayo na alam na mali. Tapos akala ko nung time na yon, this is all you need to know about money. This is a game board, sobrang mahal, 11,000 to binili ko sa Singapore. Akala ko that was enough to run a business, yung learning more about money, be more mature about money. Yung pala, I realized this is 1%. You will succeed in money when you learn the stuff, cash flow concepts. Give you an example, tinuro sa amin, yung sisigaw ka ng I'm a multimillionaire. Narinig nyo na yan? Napasigaw na ba kayo ng mga guro na I'm a multimillionaire? Ginawa ko yun eh. Pinagawa ko rin sa ibang tao yun. Kung sumigaw ka ng I am a multimillionaire, it helps your emotions. Kasi parang, totoo ba yun? Millionaire ba talaga ako? Hindi ko alam. That was just parang 1% of the wisdom that you can get pala. Marami palang unseen na hindi, like yung halimbawa, sinisigaw mo yun, mag-isa ka pa rin. Di ba? You still feel alone kahit magaling ka sa pera or you doing business. So, what if I were to tell you na meron palang way na yung lahat ng unseen makatulong sa'yo? I'll give you an example of what's unseen. Meron kang deal na gustong gawin. Kinausap mo na yung tao, tapos umuwi na siya, umuwi ka na. Can you see what's happening in that person's life? Can you see yung mentors niya, anong ina-advise sa kanya? Can you see anong sinabi ng asawa niya doon sa deal na gusto mong mangyari? Can you see all of these? Yung pinapanood niya sa YouTube na naka-influence sa decision niya kung magtutuloy yung deal niya o hindi, can you see them? You cannot see all of them. Yes?
Oh.
So, what if I told you, meron palang paraan para ma-benefit ka from all those unseen things, that you get to affect all of those unseen things. Doon pumapasok ito, sino to? Alam niyo ba na meron palang mga santo na mayayaman? By the way, hindi niyo sila kilala. Siya ang parents ni Saint Therese. Okay. She makes lace. Alam mo yung lace? Lace yung magaganda sa dulo niya. Lace. She makes lace as a business owner and he makes clocks, watches as a business owner. They both own their business. And sila yung parents nitong si Saint Therese and 4 other nuns. So question, may alam ba sila sa business? Yes. Alam ba natin ang kwento nila? No. Alam ko ba ang kwento nila noon? No. Marami bang libro tungkol sa kanila? No. Are the books on the internet for free? Yes. Archive.org. So you can study what tanong, admirable ba sila o mas gusto natin si Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, owner of Starbucks? So yun ang natutunan ko. I've studied all these books about all these big business gurus. They taught me yung practicals of money. Then I realized most of them have broken families. So nabibuild sila ng business, billions of dollars, pero divorce. Kasi Steve Jobs, iniwan niya yung pamilya niya, inamin niya, I didn't give time to my kids. Sabi ni Steve Jobs, I read his biography ni Walter Isaac. Nung time na mo yan, I had so many books like Mommy and so many books about businesses. And I realized 1% lang pala yun. Paano maayos yung emotions natin? Aralin ang wisdom ng mga santo na nagbi-business noon. Do you get me? How will they able to raise up 5 kids, no? Lahat madre, and run businesses at the same time? Do you understand me? Yung wisdom na meron sila, ordinary people sila. Yes, ordinary people.
Yes.
Middle class nga lang, hindi sila poor, right? If you study the life of the Saint Francis of Assisi, mayaman ang tatay niyan, they sell silk. Pero sabi niya, I want to be poor. Tapos, hindi mo pwedeng gayahin. Sa business owner, hindi mo pwedeng gayahin si Saint Francis. Pero itong dalawa, you can copy them. Kasi business owner sila. So, meron silang concepts na tinuturo sa mga libro about their life. And this is just an example. Ang dami palang mayaman na santo. Marami din palang royalty na mga saints. And that's why I discovered ang dami nilang alam when it comes to not just money. Kasi yung money, napag-aral na namin Mami yan, di ba? Dito sa game na to. Pero around life, ang dami nilang alam na around life na matutulungan ka when you're struggling to build a business. Kasi the section 4 is about the struggle, yung hirap. Kasi ang problema when pursuing something like this is you feel that you're suffering. Puyat na naman ako. Gagawin ko pa tong affiliate marketing. Pagod na ako sa day job ko. Pagod na ako sa business ko. Di ba you're suffering? Tatapusin ko na Mami N. Kasi hindi ko kaya ma-discuss to agad lahat-lahat. There's a concept, a brand new concept. Grabe, natutunan ko lang to ng pandemic, Mami N. Suffering joyfully.
Wow.
Ano yun? It's unacceptable, di ba?
Pwede ba yun?
Suffering joy, ano yun? Ito ginagawa nila. And you know what? She wrote a diary talking about that. The whole thing was about that. Siya yung anak. She's the fruit. This is Zele and Louis Martin. Martin is the pronunciation. Hindi siya Killing Me Softly eh. Yung Killing Me Softly is a modern version that is really bad kasi there's death na hindi mo gusto. Pero yung Suffering Joyfully, tinuturo pala nila to. Actually, in hindsight, all the saints teach it. All of them, including Jesus. Hindi lang natin na-embrace kasi nano tayo sa let's have fun, let's be entertained. Napunta tayo doon sa mundo na yun. So, I'm saying that kasi the book has parts of that. And at the same time, would you be interested? Ito lang, yes or no lang. Weird itong concept of suffering joyfully. Would you be interested to understand it? Interesting ba? Or gusto mo mag-suffer in miserable? Kasi whether you believe me or not, you will still suffer. Yeah?
Yeah.
You still go home, somebody will get sick, you'll suffer. You will get sick, you'll suffer. They will suffer. Or mag-struggle ka to build a business, 2 businesses at the same time, you still suffer. What if you found the secret to joyful suffering? Secret siya, kasi nobody knows. So it takes a while to get it. Plus, syempre, mahirap i-embrace yung concept na yan. Pero kung babasahin mo lang yung Bible, Lives of Saints, they all say the same thing. We're just not like familiar. Yun lang. Nasagot ko ba?
Yan. Okay, thank you very much. That was very, very informative. Yan. No, so ang nakuha ko sa iyo is yung mindset shifts, especially when you are feeling alone, no?
Mm-hmm.
Ang conclusion doon is to learn how to suffer joyfully, and you can learn that from the Bible. You can learn that from the lives of the saints, especially saints who were rich, the saints who are also business owners. Tulad ng parents ni Saint Therese. Yan.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, walang question.
Si Catherine, no? Hindi talang yung sinabi ni Catherine, sabi niya. Kasi yung nakikita ko dati ay ang ibebenta din lang ay yung how to do affiliate marketing. So, parang walang value. Ay, pwede ko sagutin to. Okay, para mag-gets din nyo. So, sabi niya, nakikita niya, nagbebenta rin daw ng how to do affiliate marketing. Alam ko yan yung digital products. May big thing happening today sa Philippines. People are saying, oh, using Canva, you can earn money.
Yes.
Okay? Tapos, yung pala, ang ibig sabihin pala nun, magbebenta ka nitong napakadaming templates para people will sell the templates. Do you get me?
Yes.
Who uses the template? Nobody needs to use the template. They just keep selling the templates to sell the templates. Paikot-ikot. Pag ginawa mo yon, do you earn anything? Yes. Do you learn anything? No. Kasi all you're doing is selling templates so people will sell the templates. Did you use Canva to make the posters to sell the templates? Hindi actually ikaw gumagawa ng templates. Binili mo lang din yung templates. So, para siyang Ponzi scheme, you know what I mean? Pero hindi nauubos yung product kasi digital products lang siya. And I don't agree with it. I mentioned it in the book. Kasi nga, anong natapala mo? You're selling something nobody uses. How will that be good? Di ba? Bilhin mo to, pag binili mo to, pwede mo ibenta ito. Tapos kikita ka. Tapos sila din. Paulit-ulit lang yun. Anyway, I ship the book internationally for free. Okay? So, yun yung concept ng digital products. I suggest you avoid it kasi you really will not learn much if you keep just selling templates that people will use and claiming that it's really Canva, but it's not really Canva. The templates were made in Canva. Binili mo lang siya. You're just selling it so other people can sell it. And yun.
Yung pala
Tapos hindi naman totoo yung income claims nila. Hindi totoo. Kasi tiningnan ko yung mga accounts nila. Ang lilit na mga sales nito mga to eh. So, imposible na the amount that they're talking about is correct. Kasi pag tingin mo, 14 sales. Ano ba yun? 14 sales? Tapos ganito yung price. Hindi malaki yun. Diba? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung mga pangalan ng websites kasi baka nandito yung mga may-ari, mga masaktan kayo dyan.
Okay, merong nagtatanong dito, si Catherine. Si Catherine sabi niya, saan po hahanap ng market for affiliate marketing?
Alright, thank you.
Ang sample kanina, but would you want to expound on this?
Yeah, sure. A different one. Ang pinakamahirap na step sa affiliate marketing, ito sabihin ko sa inyo, di ba? Una, clear, naintindihan nyo, so you read the book. The second thing is pipili ka ng niche. I'll give an example of a niche. Okay? Podcasting. Alam niyo yung podcasting? Yung audio version or ganito, mag-YouTube kayo. Ay, do you know what podcasting is? Anyone? Yung nag-interview ka ng tao or dumadaldal ka lang mag-isa sa YouTube. Usually audio lang, gano'n. So that's podcasting. So sa mundo ng podcasting, pag yan ang pinili mong niche or small market, ang pwede mo mga ibentang product dyan o promote a product are things like this. A 18,000 peso microphone. If you get 10% of 18,000, magkano kita mo? 1,800. Sino ang bibili ng 18,000 peso na microphone? Yung seryoso na mag-podcast. Sino ang bibili ng 4,000 peso na microphone? Yung medyo seryoso lang. Yes. Pero pag bumili sila ng 4,000 peso microphone, magkano kita mo? 10%. 400. So whether they buy the expensive one, you don't have to buy it. You just have to get the pictures from the internet, ask the AI to make the description. You can sell this one, the mahal one, or the cheap one. Depends on the person if they want to buy. Now, these are physical products. Pagdating ng somebody na gusto mag-podcast, they have to buy mga services online. By the way, yung services, alam nyo to, Zoom. Zoom is actually not free sa mga hosts. Katulad ko. Di ba? Kasi ang involved is siya kung gusto mo magbenta ng Shopee and Lazada products. Okay? Ngayon, bigyan ko kayo ng tip kung gusto nyo. Pero mahirap yan kasi mahirap kumita ng malaki pag ang percentage mo lang 3%. Malit ang kitaan sa involved is siya 3%, 2%, ganun. Ay, naghihehe na si Linlin. So, I really recommend go for digital products in here. Services, hindi digital product, digital services. Kasi if you're trying to sell physical services, ang kitaan mo 3% lang, maliit masyado. Sa digital services, meron kang 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. Minsan, laman na ng libro to minsan 400%.
Grabe.
Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng 400% commission? Medyo, sorry pag business owner gets na nila yan. Pag employee, medyo hindi nila gets. Yung Christmas bonus mo times 4. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng 400%. Minsan. Nang-enjoy ko siya nung isang taon. 400%. It doesn't happen often, but pwede. Ang normal, 100%. Yan. May ganon. May kasing ganon Di ba? Tapos, since na-mention ko na rin sila Lynn, member kasi sila ng Profitable Funnels Mentoring. So, type nyo nga letter P. Now, this is reserved for those na serious na. Yung hindi pa sila nagdududa, parang gusto ko na i-commit ito, di ba? Kasi long-term business ang affiliate marketing, hindi siya get rich quick. Yeah? Gets nyo? So, may concept kasi na tinatawag na asset building. Alam niyo na to, Mami N, kinuturo sa inyo ni Mami N to, di ba? Asset building. What is the asset that you build in affiliate marketing? Nasa libro to the relationship with your newsletter readers. I will say it again. Yung relationship, gusto ka ba ng newsletter readers mo? Pag gusto ka nila, kahit anong produkto i-endorse mo, kahit bibili sila. Jamar, how will they like me? Magkukwento ka. Di ba tinuruan ko kayo kanina? Marunong kayo magkwento. So, I'll give you an example. I tell you about St. Teresa of Lisieux. Some of you don't like this kasi hindi kayo Catholic. Yes? Yes? Some of you parang nagre-rebelde, right? Yung iba dito umalis na dahil nakakita ng santo. Statue lang to. It's art. It's art. For most of you, it's art. Pumunta kayo sa Italy, ang daming ganito. Hindi kayo magre-rebelde kasi ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Daming statues. This is art for some people. For some people, it's religious. If you like this and I like this, then we like each other. Yes? If I talk about it in my newsletter, bumili kami ng bago statue and para kong baliw, I'm so excited with the statue. Di ba? And I attract the right people. Those who like saints. Yes? Don't get me wrong. When I started with Mommy and long time ago, I did not talk about saints. Bakit? Wala akong alam. Therefore, hindi ko pwede ikwento yung wala akong alam. Ang alam ko lang, what's happening to me day to day. In my newsletter, a long time ago, I would only talk about what happens to me every day. The kids are swimming today. Ganyan lang. Today, you have AI to help you. Lalo na kung mahina ka sa grammar. So anyway, so those of you who want to seriously join us, 16 months, every week may meeting. It's called Profitable Funnels Mentoring. Bibigay sa inyo yung link nila, Mami N later. And meron akong special sa those of you na gusto ng sumerious game sa affiliate marketing. Hindi na kayo naghihintay. Sabi ito na yon. Wala nang mas comprehensive na training sa affiliate marketing and building kundi itong ginagawa ni Jomar. Remember, I'm only running one course this year and that's this one. So if that's the sabi mo ito yung gusto mong gawin talaga and gusto mong sumali sa Profitable Funnels Mentoring, 16 months weekly kayo mag-meet, I will give this the book for free. But that's not all. Okay? Game, okay lang ba kayo? I-discuss ko lang. Kailangan pa mag-ask permission, Mami N. Can I ask permission to talk about yung profitable funnels?
Please do kung anong makakatulong sa audience natin. Mga anak ko yun lahat. Kaya,
okay. Yung how to buy the book, the link is in the chat. It's just, sabihin ko na yung price is only 1,499. And I didn't even change the price. That was the price last month, the other month, the last year. Okay? Actually lower kasi last year it was 1,899. Last year. Pinaba ko na siya to 1,499. Kasama na yung 10 Zoom calls. Now, what did I say? Kasama na yung recording. Kasama na yun. Di ba may na-miss kayong dalawang recording? Sasama ko na yung libre. Free shipping. International UAE. Same price, 1,499. Na-ship ko na to all over the world. Canada, US, Singapore, UAE, UK, France. Na-ship ko na to all over the world. So, free ang shipping. Okay, 1,499 kasama na yung 10 Zoom calls including the recordings. Now, let's talk. May ebook pang kasama. Tapos meron ka pang grupo. Yung grupo mo dalawa. Yung Facebook group and the book club of people who read the book. So, mamimit mo sila. Kasi makakasama mo sila for 8 months na lang. 8 months sa Zoom every Saturday. Free din sa Qatar. Lahat ng countries free. Yes. Kung gusto mo sa Singapore, dagdagan natin ng 200%. Pero, free talaga yung shipping. Free yung shipping. Okay? So, gusto kong i-discuss yung aking course na maliit na member sila Lynn, no? Yung intensive course on affiliate marketing. Mabilis lang to. It's 16 months. So, free international shipping for the book. Make sure you grab it. Okay? You have to buy the book today para makuha nyo yung dalawang bonus. Yes? Yung dalawang bonus na Zooms. You have to buy the book today. Right now. Okay? And para sa inyo lang yon. So, make sure you get the book today para makuha nyo yung bonus na sessions.
Yan.
So, you get it today.
Then, sa Facebook, paki-post yung
Okay, you have to get it today, okay? Kasi pag nagbukas na yan, hindi na available yung bonus na 2 recordings na wrong spelling ako. Okay? Kasi right now, if people buy, they don't get the 2 recordings. They only get the live ones. Okay? So, this way, makukuha mo yung recordings na miss mo, tapos makaka-join ka doon sa live. The schedule is 8 o'clock ng gabi every Saturday, last Saturday of the week. So, katatapos lang namin last week. 2 weeks ago pala, sorry. Okay? Tapos, yun. Saturday, 8 p.m. Okay, yung PFM naman, nung unang panahon, si Mami M nag-learn with entrepreneurs, with me, sa isang course ng Tautel Marketing Success Formula. Mura lang bayad ni Mami M nun, $2,000 plus. So, convert mo ngayon, mga 110,000 pesos. Noon, 2012 pa yon. Nakita ko pa yung invoice, Mami M, yung sa PayPal. Nakita ko pa. So, $2,000 ang binayad ni Mami M a long time ago. And di ba gusto niyo malaman, Mami M, how did you start? Yes? Tama ba? You wanna learn? How did Mami N start? Kasi I found out, ako pala yung unang meet my mentors ni Mami N nung year 2020.
Yes. I'm glad you remembered.
Grabe, ako pala yung una. September of 2020. Tapos, di ba, kukunti lang nanonood nun. Grabe. So, hindi talaga magic yung to become, like Mami N, 800,000 followers in her Mami Negosyo. May kilala ba kayong may 800,000 followers? Mami Negosyo. Di ba dami nun? Di ba? Hindi yan overnight. Di ba sabi, Mami N, nakakatawa to. May kausap akong dental team kanina. Dental team. Sabi ng dental team sa akin, oh yeah, si Mami N. Siya yung nagsabi ng walang nagsisimula ng magaling. Yun yung sinabi nila. Sabi ko, pakilala na si Mami M out of 800,000 followers, no? So, how do you start? You start small, yeah?
Yes.
You start from the basics. So, ka magalit na taon na, hindi ka pa nakaka 1M, di ba? Basta be happy with progress. And if you can start with how Mami N starts, I think this is the one for you, the Profitable Funnels Mentoring. Before I go into that, let me just tell you na, behind the scenes, I helped Brother Bo reach his first 1 million followers. So, hindi siya, luck. Hindi siya luck. It's really marketing. Okay. And sinabi ko na yung secret, it's synergy. Right. So, ito lang, i-discuss ko sa inyo, mabilis lang yung course na yon, Profitable Funnels Mentoring, na member sila Ann, member sila Lynn, na kumita na nga sa affiliate marketing. And the course is really 16 months. Okay? We meet every Thursday night. Tapos, akong bahala sa lahat ng technical mo. Tapos, bakit kami nag-meet every month? Every week? Every week pala kami nag-meet. Kasi, minsan we work together. Alam niyo yung working meeting? Wala masyadong nagsasalita, magtatanong sila, sasagutin ko lang. Though, pag sumasagot ko sa akong talong, din-demo ko eh. Instead of saying to you, eto yung gawin mo, I just show you what to do. Ako na mismo gagawa. So, that's what happens. And I teach a lot of concepts and a lot of how to demo kung paano mga shortcuts sa affiliate marketing, paano gumamit ng AI for affiliate marketing. A lot of those, ginagawa namin yan sa Profitable Funnels Mentoring. Tapos may recording yan, tapos the recordings are extremely edited. Parang hindi ka nag-waste ng time. Pag nanonood ka ng replay, 3 hours ang live namin. Tapos ang edited version 1 hour lang. Para mabilis, di ba? So, that's Profitable Funnels Mentoring. The price of that is actually $79,999. Pero, because you're here, I'm going to give a mommy end discount. Gusto niyo na mommy end discount? Okay? Wow. So, just because you're here, okay, so makinig kayo. Ay, 16 months too long. Sabi ni Sir Dino, mabuti sana, makuha mo siya agad. You don't have to keep joining us in 16 months. That's the point. Alam ko kasi the journey is hard and you need at least a year to do this para hindi ka mawalan ng puso. Gets? Why? Your cost is very low and if you don't want to earn, if you're expecting millions agad, mawawalan ka ng gana. Yes? Ang cost mo sobrang baba eh, di ba? So, bakit 16 months? Para may kasama ka all throughout the journey. Kasi it's not get rich quick. Do you understand me? Gagawa ka ng asset which creates income for you. Okay, anyway, let's keep talking about this. So, instead of, ang normal cost yan is $79,999. So, yan yung kanyang price which is lower than what Mommy N prayed noong unang panahon. So, yan yung original price niya. So, for those of you who are in here, I'm gonna give you guys a Mommy N discount. Okay? Para may deadline syempre. So, if you go to the website, you'll see 2 coupon codes. The first coupon code will give you a 50% off. Okay? So, instead of this, first coupon code will give you 50 off. Now, that's only applicable if you join within the day. Now, if you're not going to act within the day, then you can enjoy 30% off naman. Nandun yung coupon code sa website ng Profitable Funnels Mentoring. So, the coupon code is MommyN50 and MommyN30. Yan yung coupon codes. Alright? So, you can join that one. So, you get 50% off or 30% off. Ang deadline ng 50% is within the day. Yung 30% is May 17. Ayan. So, ginawa ko lang to. Special for today. I did not plan this. Okay? Kaya nga wala nga akong slides eh. Di ba? Quickly, ginawa ko lang yung mga coupon codes para makaka-avail kayo ng malaking discount and get support. Okay. Yung shorter time based on your circumstance, sa totoo lang, you can join us. Marami kasing aralin. Sa totoo lang. Nasabi ko sa inyo. There's a shorter time which is this book. Gets the book. Go get the book, join us for 8 months every last of Saturday. Now, I don't understand kung bakit niya gusto i-shorten ang support.
May I say something, Joma?
Go ahead. Hindi ko kaya.
Actually, sa experience ko you don't need to wait until after 16 months to make money.
Yes.
Once you learn something, you apply it, you will already start making money. Pag consistent ka. So, it really helps to have somebody hold your hands for 16 months. Tapos, you learn also from your classmates. Kami nung pandemic, we learned so much from each other, sharing our own experiences. Kasi, instead na mag-trial and error ka ng 7 taon, kapag nakikita mo yung mga pagkakamali ng iyong mga kasama, then, yung pagkakamali nila, you're learning already. So, it will fast-track the learning. So yon, does not mean na 16 months or yung buong duration na yon tsaka ka pa kikita, hindi ba? So I think that is what I'd like to share, no? So yon, whatever you learn, little thing, whenever you you attend a seminar or attend a training, it does not mean that you have to learn everything. Lalo na if you're entrepreneur, tulad ni Dino, isang idea mo lang, nako, Diyos ko. Like me, I don't have to learn everything. Isang idea lang, pag in-apply ko yon, kikita na ako ng so much. So, that's, I think, should be the attitude when we are trying to learn. I hope nakatulong. So,
yeah, thank you so much. Hindi ko kaya sagutin. Pero, yes, you're right. It's not like lessons up to the end of time na wala ka matututunan. I said, di ba, yung bonus number 2 pa lang ng book, makaka-start ka na agad, zero cost. Right. So, this one kasi, you want to go in-depth and really do this with my personal supports. Gets? Hindi naman kailangan the whole 16 months kukunin mo para makaka na. Some of them, enough yung 3 months? Enough na yung 3 months, then they can do things on their own. Ganon.
So, okay, we are actually over time na tayo. So, can I thank you na ngayon at this point, Sir Jomar? Ang daming insights, ang daming learning, at ang daming discounts na binigay mo. Hindi natin to pinag-usapan. Thank you so much for doing this to my audience. No? Yung mga anak ko, pinagbigyan mo. Nakikita ko yung iba, lalo na si Ruth na nandoon si Rita na nandoon sa kabilang side ng mundo ay parang magsa-sign up na yata at bibili na yata ng libro mo. So, I'm very excited for her. Tagal niya na kasing gustong mag-start ng business, kaya lang hirap siya dahil nasa Qatar siya. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Jomar, for sharing your expertise with us today. And before we end, meron ka bang mga final words of wisdom para sa ating viewers?
Meron akong agenda kung bakit ang bababa ng presyo, lalaki ng discount, the journey that you're gonna join me. Everybody's thinking this is affiliate marketing. Yeah? Tama? Diba? It's marketing. If you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna learn lots of internet marketing in this whole process. Hindi lang pang-affiliate, content creation. Nagbabayad ka ng mahal na 75,000 doon sa 3-day workshop. Wink, wink. Hindi akin yon. Tapos, anong natutunan mong support after that? Magaling ka na ba? Mag-create ng videos? Hindi. This is like 16 months of marketing na may kasamang 14 years of experience. Actually, 20 years of experience in affiliate marketing. It's different. Because there's all this other thing that's very different if you ever decide to compare this to someone else. Itong journey na to, I'm trying to get people to learn virtue. Alam niyo yan, virtue? Yung gusto mong mangyari sa anak mo paglaki nila. Lahat ng anak mo, lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay, gusto mo matapat, mabuti, magalang. All of those. You want to learn virtue, right? Then join me in the 16 month. You will learn virtue. Kasi as I learn virtue, remember, bago lang din ako dito, I teach you. I share it. Kasi sayang yung 100% kung we just get the how to make money part, 1%. Tapos yung values nila, Mang Louie at Manang Zele, hindi natin alam. Sayang. They taught their kids to become good while running two businesses. Meron silang alam. Hindi natin alam. Inaalam ko. Yun. Sana, as I uncover it, sana ma-uncover nyo rin when you join me. Alright?
Yes, and kaming mga mapuputi ang buhok. Puti na rin ang buhok mo medyo. So, we really just, hindi lang sa amin, hindi lang pera-pera. I hope you sense that already from me and from Sir Jomar.
Yes.
Go beyond the usual pera-pera. We can bandera all our pera here, but what for? We do not want you to be attracted to the pera because after all, yes, pera is part of it, pero there's a bigger purpose for all of us. Kaya,
yes.
No? So I will, tapos na yung words of wisdom. So if they want to get in touch with you, nandyan na yung mga links. Yan. And you can also get in touch with Sir Jomar sa Facebook niya, www.facebook.com/Jomar
Hilario.
And you already talked about the specials and I'm very grateful for your generous offer. Andyan na rin yung mga links ng special offer natin. Would you like to repeat for the last time, Sir Jomar, yung special offer?
The special offer. So, instead of paying $79,999, gagamit lang kayo ng coupon code sa website na binibigay sa inyo nila AIF, no? So, the coupon code is MOMMYN50 to get 50% off today. This is only valid for today. 50% off dun sa 16-month mentoring or Mommy, type ko ulit, binura ko N30. Mommy N30. So, di ba prepared? Mommy N30. These are the coupon codes. 30% off hanggang May 17 only. So, grabe yung support na binibigay namin dito. You're not gonna talk to my assistants. I have no assistants today. You talk to me. So, kung ano yung natulong ko kay Mami N noon, most likely maitutulong ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay? So, these are the coupon codes only for people here listening. So, support sa inyo. And if this is too much, kasi sabi mo, wala pa, duda pa ako dyan. Get the book. Get the book. Kung may duda ka pa kasi first time mo marinig ang affiliate marketing, which works internationally, get the book. Magkikita tayo ng 8 live sessions hanggang December.
Yeah, and it's super, super, super cheap. Sobrang cheap yan. I think I got that at 1,899.
See? Sabi sa inyo, last year 1,899 yan eh. Yeah. Muntik na ito mag 2,000 last year. Binaba ko lang. Okay.
Taas ng pataas, kaya talagang I grabbed it already. So, maraming salamat ulit, Sir Jomar. It's been an honor to have you here.
Thank you,
and sa ating mga viewers, I know that you're very grateful to Sir Jomar for all these valuable insights and for the discounts. But instead of saying thank you, what would really make him happy, I'm sure, knowing him, is to share your biggest takeaway from today's lesson. Ano yung natutunan ninyo na biggest takeaway? At ano yung gagawin ninyong action? So, habang tinatype ninyo, ako ay magpapasalamat na sa mga viewers natin sa panonood. Remember to sign up. May nagtanong how to get in touch with me. Just sign up to our free newsletter. You can email me or you can message me. No? So sa newsletter, it's maminegosyo.com. You can message me sa Facebook, Your Mami Negosyo. Nandun ako. Makikita nyo yun. Maraming fake na Mami Negosyo na page. So ang hahanapin ninyo is yung may 800 plus na followers. Yun yung totoo. Yun yung tunay. Doon kayo mag-message. So sign up also sa mga links ni Sir Jomar. Andyan na. No? So, and if you found this session valuable, join us again soon. Kaya lang magbabakasyon po ako. So wala po akong wala tayong episode next Tuesday. Actually, I will be going on a longer vacation. I deserve that after working so hard. The next session will be another Meet My Mentor series, and that will be on May 27. And this will be with my guest, si Alec Cuenca. Siya yung nagturo sa akin na kung paano kong isushoot yung aking video. Alam ko tinuro ito ni Sir Jomar, pero matigas ang ulo ko noon, hindi ako nakinig. Kailangan ko pang maghanap ng another mentor. Noong tinuruan ako ni ang ginawa kasi ni Alec Cuenca sa amin dati ay araw-araw kami dapat na meron kaming chine-check na box. Araw-araw dapat meron kaming video. Tapos may contest kami kung sinong mauna. Ang partner ko, Janice, is here. Si Janice ay ang aking partner. Pareho kaming competitive. Kailangan kami yung mauna. Kaya nag-work. So he will be my guest on May 27. Until May 27, we will just announce the details at saka yung Zoom link. No, that's why you have to sign up to maminegosyo.com so that you will get the Zoom link. So thank you everyone. Until then, keep shining and keep being business-minded, Pinoy.
Mami Negosyo Live, it's time to shine. Lights are on, the phones are bright, a digital stage filled with light. Mami Negosyo takes the floor with